Let me show you how to reset your Xiaomi 360 camera. So these cameras actually have got multiple different models. So for example, on this camera over here, I have the reset button right over here. But if you do not see it over here, then also you can simply lift up basically this lens, and you see you have your micro SD slot here. And also on some of those cameras, basically over here, there should be like a tiny hole, like a tiny small hole, so you can essentially take a pin, insert it in that tiny hole if you have it there, and hold it for maybe like 5 seconds till the camera resets. But on my camera, so I'm simply going to press and hold this reset button. So let's click and hold it. So you see the camera talks, and basically it's reset. So that's all there is to it really. So you simply hold it, or again over here. And also in your phone app, if you go and open your phone app, you can open up the camera. So you see it's offline since it's reset, but you can click these 3 dots here, and you see you also have delete device options. That will also remove it from the account, and also will wipe it. So I see it takes some time basically to reset, maybe like literally like 30 seconds. It will also like initialize, basically calibrate itself. And after it finishes doing this, like moving around, you can go in the, so you see only now it's ready. It literally took maybe like 1 minute for it to fully reset and to be able to pair it with the app now. Okay, good luck.